Bonjour à tous, ça va? Moi ça va très bien, j'espère que vous allez bien aussi. So in today's lesson, I'm going to teach you the past tense or le passé composé. Let's see how to create le passé composé. Common mistake that we do when we learn French language is that we try to directly translate that into English or try to directly take from English to French, which is wrong. So especially when it comes to grammar. So if you want to talk about the past tense in English, you can use both. There are two forms to use. One is the simple past tense as well as the present perfect. So for example, if you take the verb to eat is the infinitive verb. So you want to say in the past, I ate. Simple past tense is I ate. Or the present perfect is I have eaten. I have eaten. So those two tenses are one in French. That means for those two tenses, you will have to use le passé composé. There are no two different tenses like that. I ate and I have eaten only one. That is le passé composé. Now let's see how to conjugate. Now before we start conjugating le passé composé, you have to know that there are three categories of verbs that I have so far introduced to you. First, ER verbs, then IR verbs, then RE verbs. Right? So we'll today learn the passé composé using ER verbs. Okay, now in le passé composé, when you create le passé composé, you need two verbs. One is the auxiliary verb and the other one is the past participle of the verb that you want to put into past tense. For example, we'll take the same example. To eat. To eat is the infinitive verb. You want to say I ate or I have eaten. So I ate, I have eaten one. So we'll use I have eaten because in French you need to have an auxiliary as well as a past participle, just like in present perfect in English. So the auxiliary verb for passé composé is avoir. Avoir means to have. You have to use the avoir verb conjugated into your subjects. Likewise, j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Avoir conjugated to your subjects in present tense. That is your auxiliary. And then you have to create the past participle of the verb to eat in French. So to eat in French is manger. It's a ER verb. How to create the past participle of ER verbs? Simple thing is you get the infinitive verb manger and you omit the R of that, and on top of it you put the accent. It becomes the past participle of the verb manger or the ER verb to eat. Manger, past participle is eaten. Eaten is manger with the accent will become eaten, and you put that with your auxiliary verb which is avoir. So j'ai mangé. I have eaten. J'ai mangé. I have eaten. Tu as mangé. You have eaten. Il a mangé. He has eaten. Elle a mangé. She has eaten. Nous avons mangé. We have eaten. Vous avez mangé. You have eaten. Ils ont mangé. They have eaten. Elles ont mangé. They have eaten. So these things you can simply put as I ate also. So I have, j'ai mangé is I have eaten or I ate.
Pour la première fois, j'ai voyagé à l'étranger en 2010. C'est en France. Et aussi, j'ai visité le Disneyland pour la première fois dans ma vie. En 2015, mon frère et moi, nous avons visité le Japon. En 2015, mon frère et moi, nous avons visité le Japon. Au Japon, nous avons beaucoup mangé la cuisine japonaise. C'est délicieux. Au Japon, nous avons beaucoup mangé la cuisine japonaise. C'était délicieux. À Gifu, on a rencontré un samouraï aussi. Nous avons aussi acheté des cadeaux. Ils ont invité à nous pour le dîner. Ils ont invité à nous pour le dîner. J'ai adoré le voyage en train à grande vitesse. J'ai adoré le voyage en train à grande vitesse.
So in today's lesson, I taught you le passé composé of ER verbs. So in future lessons, I will teach you for other verb categories as well. So I hope you liked the today's lesson. So make sure you go to my Facebook, YouTube and Instagram channels to like, comment, share and subscribe my videos. So till we meet from our next lesson, au revoir, à bientôt.